Hi guys, this is Saloni and welcome back to our channel Codera. So guys, in the last video we talked about what is SQL and its advantages. And the agenda of our today's video is to know what is the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases. So let's start the discussion. So first we will compare both the databases on the basis of their definitions. So all the relational databases are the SQL databases, while NoSQL databases are non-relational or distributed databases. And here distributed database means here our data is located in different sites connected by a network, or our data may also present on a different network. So in NoSQL database our data is distributed. So now our next difference is based on query language. So as the name suggests, SQL database. So we use SQL or structured query language to access or manage the data, while in NoSQL database we don't use any query language. Now our next difference is very important, and this difference will also help you in your interviews. So SQL database are table based database and it has rows and columns, while NoSQL databases can be document based or it may have key value pair or the graphs. For example, MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, all these are the SQL databases, and MongoDB, Redis, HBase, all these are the NoSQL databases. So let's see one example. Here we have one SQL database of MySQL, which is employee, and the another NoSQL database of MongoDB with the same name employee. So in SQL database we have a table employee info to store the data, and in the table we have some rows and columns, while in NoSQL database instead of table we have collections, and the collection name is employee info, and in the collection instead of row and column we have documents. So in NoSQL database records are called documents, and in documents data is stored in the form of key value pair. So this is how data is stored in these two different type of databases. Now let's see our next difference, which is based on schema. So in SQL database schema is predefined, while in NoSQL databases we have dynamic schema because it deals with the unstructured data. Now let's talk about the scalability. So SQL databases are vertically scalable while NoSQL databases are horizontally scalable. Here scalable means the ability to adapt or handle the increase in the size or the amount of the data. That means on what amount of data our database can work. So here vertically scalable means we can increase the load on a single server by just upgrading its RAM or SSD. While in horizontal scaling we can distribute the data by adding more servers. For better understanding, let's take an example. Suppose you have two different databases. One is SQL and the other one is NoSQL database, and both can store 100 GB of the data. And now you need to store more than 100 GB data. So in case of SQL database you can increase the RAM size or the SSD, while in the case of NoSQL database instead of upgrading the CPU you can add a new server that can handle or manage the extra amount of data. So that's why NoSQL databases are the distributed databases. So now let's see our next difference. So SQL database follow ACID property, which is atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability, while NoSQL database works on CAP theorem, which is consistent, available and partition tolerance. So now let's see when we should use which database. So SQL database are good choice if you have to work with complex queries, while NoSQL database are not good for complex queries. And if we talk about the importance, then if you want the validity of the data, that means if you want the data to be correct, then SQL database are the best choice. But if you want the faster access of the data than the correct data, then NoSQL is the right choice. So guys, that's all about the difference between SQL and NoSQL database, and in the next video we will see how you can install MySQL in a Windows machine. So till then, keep watching Codera and don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.